Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss the case of Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax versus Asian Star Company Limited. This case has been reported in 104 ITR Tribunal at page number 639. The matter has been decided by Mumbai ITAT A bench and the date of the judgment is 23rd May 2023. This case relates to the assessment year 1213 and in this case, addition was confirmed by the learned assessing officer on two matters. One was bogus purchases and the second was addition on account of commission which was paid by the assessee to the four parties. It was the allegation of the department that the assessee has made bogus purchases and the payment has been made to one party RS. When the questionnaire was asked from the assessee said that I do not have any link with the party RS to whom the department is alleging that the assessee has the transactions. But during the assessment proceedings, the assessing officer said that whatever the bogus purchases has been made by the assessee and the payment has been made to those parties, after going 6 layers down, some payments were made by the parties to whom the assessee has made the payment to the party RS, meaning thereby that whatever the payment has been made by the assessee to his creditors, in some cases that payment has come into the account of a party RS and that is also down 6 layers. So on this basis the assessing officer has made the addition of the assessee that these purchases are bogus. In support of the contentions of the assessee has submitted the confirmations. The assessee has submitted the purchase bills, sale bills, stock statement, and more importantly, in this particular case, the assessee has submitted one-to-one mapping of the alleged bogus purchases with the sales. And in the present case, the gross profit arising from the transactions of the alleged bogus purchases were more than the usual gross profit of the assessee. When this matter was before the CIT appeal, the CIT appeal said that in this case, there is no case of the department in making the addition because the assessee has not dealt with party RS and the assessee has no control over the parties from whom the payment has been made to the one alleged entry operator RS. Because whatever the assessee can do, he can make the payment to the creditors. Now the creditors are at their whims and wishes that to whom they deal and to whom they make the payment. So the assessee is not dealing with the entry operator RS, and if the payment has been received by the alleged entry operator RS and that is down the 6 layers down, then there is no fault of the assessee. And in case when the assessee has submitted one-to-one mapping of the purchase and sale of the alleged bogus purchases, then in that case it cannot be said that the assessee has made bogus purchases. In this case, some addition was also made on the basis of the commission paid. Whatever the four parties to whom the commission has been paid were assessed by the same assessing officer who was assessing the income of the assessee in this particular case. And during the assessment proceedings, the assessing officer issued notice under section 133 subsection 6 to the four parties to whom the commission was paid, and all the four parties also responded. In this case, Benami proceedings were also initiated against the four parties to whom the commission has been paid, and in that order it has come out that the transactions were not Benami. Apart from this, the parties to whom the commission has been paid, they have charged the service tax also. So from all these facts and circumstances, the Commissioner of Income Tax Appeals concluded that depending upon the facts and circumstances of the case, it cannot be said that the payment of commission is bogus, the purchases are bogus. The department as usual went to the ITAT and ITAT upheld that there is no infirmity in the order of the learned CIT appeal and upheld the order of the CIT appeal. Friends, this case is very important in dealing with all those cases in which the department make the addition on the basis of the bogus purchases and the additions are being made for commission paid by the assessee. At the end of this video, once again, I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax versus Asian Star Company Limited, and this case has been reported in 104 ITR Tribunal at page number 639, and the case has been decided by Mumbai ITAT A bench, and the date of the judgment is 23rd May 2023. Thank you, friends.